Wheezes and rhonchi have both been described as continuous sounds. Continuous in this sense means that their duration is longer than the intermittent or discontinuous sound of crackles. Wheezes are approximately 200 milliseconds or longer, while crackles are about 20 milliseconds long. Note: sounds with a sinusoidal pattern and a duration between 25 and 200 milliseconds are called squawks, or short wheezes. Wheezes and rhonchi have sinusoidal waveforms. They are presented in this illustration. Although the exact frequency that divides wheezes and rhonchi is not known, the frequency of rhonchi is usually 100 to 120 Hz. Wheezes have frequencies of 300 Hz or more.